Some states have new laws targeting photographers who take pictures underneath women's skirts, but a Texas appeals court, if you can believe this, says legislators there went too far. The State Court of Criminal Appeals ruled on Wednesday that a law intended to stop voyeurism is unconstitutional. Jan Crawford is in Washington this morning. She's also a lawyer, so she has a story behind this decision. And Jan, we're confused. Does this mean now it's okay to take pictures up women's skirts? And if so, help us understand the court's ruling.
Well, first of all, not necessarily, Gail, about the first question of whether or not it's going to be okay. There are things that states can do, but what happened here was Texas didn't do it the right way. They passed this, what's called a hidden camera law over a decade ago, and it basically prohibits someone from taking an illicit photograph of a person in a public place without their permission. It wasn't specifically about what you were talking about, Gail, upskirting, where they're taking pictures up under your skirt. No one had even heard of that when this law was passed. In fact, this case actually involved a man who was charged after taking pictures of children in their swimsuits at SeaWorld, and he argued that the law in Texas was just so broad it was unconstitutional because the way it was written, it would ban all kind of photographs in public places, and the Texas court we saw agreed with him.
So what was the judge's reasoning?
Well, Nora, the court said that the sweep of the law, and the word it used was that it was just breathtaking because it could cover, and this is kind of shocking actually, because it could, if you think about it, it could cover almost any photograph in a public place that was taken without the person's consent. So even news photographers who take pictures of, say, celebrities on public streets, that would have been banned potentially. So that's why you even saw some media groups that were weighing in against this law as violating the First Amendment.
Jen, I know you say in this particular case you don't think Texas did it the right way. Does the ruling have national implications?
Well, I think, this case is only affecting this Texas law, but what it is going to do is send a signal to these other states that if they want to ban upskirting, like I think most states do, they're going to have to do it the right way, pass new laws and update their laws that focus on that specific problem. It's that kind of invasive behavior, in someone's zone of privacy. That's probably not protected by the First Amendment. So I think you're going to see Texas and some of these other states now try to rewrite their laws and update them to more directly ban upskirting.
Our correspondent and favorite legal expert, Jan Crawford. Jan, thank you very much.